أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين التراب مقدم الفداء. أما بعد، فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى بكتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, hope everyone is well and everyone can hear me loud and clearly.
Yes, we can hear you.
Right, okay. Now, the lesson we are on is lesson number 6. Correct, everyone?
Yes, Sheikh.
And inshallah, right. Can I request Sister Tahira Muladina? Assalamu alaikum, Sister Tahira. Sister Tahira Muladina, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
How are you?
Yeah. Alhamdulillah, with your dua. I'm so sorry. I've been so while ago, and I'm very sorry for not being
Not
there.
at all. Inshallah, what we'll do, I'll phone you and I'll speak to you of what's the way forward for yourself. But inshallah, from today, so today's lesson is a fresh lesson, so it's nothing to worry about. Now,
Okay.
So this lesson is going to talk about, lesson number 6 is talking about plurals itself. Now, in the Arabic language, we have plurals, and there are plurals for human beings and plurals for objects. Now, if you look over here now, هذا, let's read this. هذا,
Taliban.
how would you translate in English?
This is a boy.
This is a boy, correct. Now, هذا طالب, this is a boy, and هؤلاء طلاب, what would be the translation of that?
These are students.
These are students, correct. And هذه طالبة.
She is a student.
No, this. هذه is the opposite gender for هذا, which is this. هذه. So
Okay.
هذه طالبة, this is a female student.
Okay, that's a female student. That's what I meant. Yeah.
And then the plural is هؤلاء.
Talibatun.
Exactly.
So these are female students.
Excellent. So over here now, we learned here, this is called the demonstrative pronouns for rational nouns. Now, this is the actual ruling. So if we are going to say these are students, we use the word هؤلاء.
Mm-hmm.
And this is for asma' al-ishara al-qarib. So something which is close by, we say هذا, هذه, هؤلاء. So in the plural, for masculine and feminine, we use هؤلاء.
They remain the same.
Yes, that's remain the same. Then we have something which is slightly further away. Then we have ذلك and تلك. ذلك is that for masculine, and تلك is that for female. Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. ذلك طالب. So
that is a
student.
Correct.
And تلك طالب. Go back. أولئك طلاب. Those are students.
Those are students. Excellent. So you see, ذلك, the plural of ذلك is أولئك. أولئك هم الخير البرية.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I should remember that. Yeah.
So that and أولئك. So هؤلاء means these. أولئك means those.
Those. Okay. And تلك طالبة. Not she, but her.
That again.
That is a girl.
That is a female girl.
Yeah. And then those are students.
Those are female students. Excellent. Is this clear so far?
Yes, fine. Thank you.
Brilliant. Thank you. Now, next person I will ask to come on the mic will be, who hasn't been on the mic for a while? Sister Akila Somji. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, Sister Akila. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. Thank you.
Alhamdulillah. Bismillah. So, Sister Akila, now the next part, it's now asmal ishara lil qarib li ghayri aqil. So these are now, it's going to teach us how to use hada, hadihi, ulaika, and dhalika with innate objects. So meaning they're not for aqil, they are for object itself. So if it's a masculine noun, how do we know baytun is a masculine noun, Sister Akila?
First is because the ismul ishara is haza,
Correct?
and
Baytun doesn't have a time marbuta at the end.
baytun, yeah, baytun is singular.
Correct? So because baytun is masculine, we use hada, hada baytun.
Yeah.
Now, the plural of baytun is what?
Buyutun.
Correct. Now, this is a general formula for all plurals. All plurals for non-human beings, all plurals for non-human beings, they will be treated as singular feminine. So rather than use ulai, haulai, tulabun, we use the singular feminine, hada is hadi.
Hazihi.
So even though baytun is masculine, but when we go to the plural, they are treated as singular feminine. So it will be hadihi.
Buyutun.
So the translation in English, we will use the word these are houses, but in Arabic we use hadihi.
Yes.
Is that clear for everyone in the class? Sister Almas, Sister Butul Manji, Sister Zainab, Fatima?
Yes.
Sister Shami Zahra?
Yes.
And then we have, yes, okay. Then Sister Akila, next one, hadihi, sayyaratun. Explain this.
Hazihi sayyaratun.
Correct.
This is a car.
Hmm?
It's singular feminine.
Yep.
And hazihi sayyaratun, it's plural feminine.
So hadihi sayyara, you missed the ra, the alif after the ra.
These are cars.
These are cars, correct. Correct. So you'll see that the plural of the masculine and the feminine object nouns is singular feminine.
Yes.
So this is the most important thing in this lesson itself. So هذه بيوت and هذه سيارات. You'll see that in the singular, the word سيارة, we are using هذه.
Yes.
And in the plural, we're using هذه again. هذه سيارات for the plural feminine and even for the plural masculine as well.
Okay.
Yes. Next one. ذلك is for masculine and tilka is for feminine. So translate these, please.
Zalika baytun. This is a house.
La la, that.
That is the house.
Mhm.
Tilka buyutun. Those
Correct.
are houses.
Those are houses, correct?
Tilka sayaratun. That is a car.
Correct.
And tilka sayaratun. Those are cars.
Those are cars, correct. So you see tilka be used with the singular, feminine, tilka sayyaratun, tilka, and even with the plural, tilka sayyaratun, and tilka buyutun. This is the most important thing in this lesson. Did everyone understand this so far?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now Sister Parveen Zahra, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you, Sister Parveen?
Walaikum salam.
Apologies, I wasn't able to send you the recording before. I've been so busy. I didn't get the chance, so I'll send you the recording. If you have any questions, just message me, and inshallah, I will try to facilitate. Now, Sister Parveen, can you read the points to remember, please?
In this lesson, we learned the following. In Arabic, nouns are classified as rational and irrational. They are also called intelligent and non-intelligent. Rational nouns are those that refer to human beings. Angels, devils, and such beings are also included in this class. Irrational nouns refers to things, animals, and concepts. In the singular, there is no difference between these two groups. In plural, however, this is a very important difference. Plural of rational nouns are treated as plural. So plural words like they, these are used to refer to them. Plural or irrational nouns are treated as feminine singular. Example, akil rational singular. Haza talibun jadidun huwa sagirun.
Translate, please.
This is a new student. He is young. Plural, haulai tullabun judahun hum sigarun.
Jududun.
Jududun hum sigarun. These are new students. They are young.
Okay, now I've got a question for you. هذا طالب جديد and هؤلاء طلاب جدد. Where is the subject and where is the khabar and what position جديد has?
It's Talibun and Jadidun is like Sifat Masu.
Excellent.
It's both singular.
Correct.
And they both are. And we will use Haza as a singular because it's rational.
Correct. So where is the mubtada and where is the khabar?
Jadid is a khabar.
No, not jadid. Jadid is the adjective for talibun. So sifa and the mawsuf together is coming as the khabar. So when so when you say this is, so remember when I said in English, when I taught you that whenever you have the copula is situated between two words, whatever comes before it is the actual mubtada, the subject. What comes after it is the khabar. So this the mubtada and talibun jadidun is the khabar. Correct. Next one.
So haulai tullabun jududun. So these are new students and hum sigarun, they are young.
Correct.
So they both are plural.
So why is jududun not coming plural, whereas jadidun is singular?
Because tullabun is a plural, so it will be a sifat mausuf. They follow the same pattern.
Excellent. So the formula of adjectives, when it comes after the noun, they will be nakira, they will be indefinite, or ma'rifa with alif lam or without alif lam. They will follow the same gender, male or female, and also if they are singular, dual, or plural. So tullabun is rational and it's a plural for human beings, and jududun will also come in the plural format as an adjective. Is this clear for everyone? This is Butul, this is Tahira.
What does sifa mawsub mean?
Sifa means
adjective. Yeah.
Sifa means adjective. Mawsuf means the thing or the thing or the person who is being described. When I say Butul Manji is working very hard. Now, Butul Manji is the Mawsuf, the person who's been described, and working hard is the adjective which I have ascribed to you.
Okay. Jazak. Yeah.
Now, then we have in the next example.
Irrational, gaira akil, singular, haza kitabun jadidun, huwa sagirun. This is a new book. This is small.
It is because huwa in the Arabic language, when it refers to an object, it doesn't come here. It's small. It is correct.
It is small. So kitabun and jadidun both are singular, and we will use haza because it's a gaira akil.
So but the ruling for singular for hierarchical it's singular. The ruling is singular. In the plural, it changes. So let's do the plural.
So haza will be both used for akil and gaira akil.
Hada is used for a human being. So hada is used for masculine because the nouns in Arabic, the singulars are mufrad, muannas, and mudhakkar. Kitab is masculine, so we're using hada. Now, the word kutubun, is it singular or plural?
Plural.
Correct. Yes, the plural of kitabun is kutubun. So now, because the plural of kitab is kutubun, it will be treated as singular, feminine. So we bring the opposite gender of hada is hadihi. So hadihi kutubun. Now, as hadihi is singular, feminine, and kutubun is treated as singular, feminine, we don't bring jadidun, neither jududun, but we bring
Jadidatun.
Why jadidatun?
It is a
Singular.
female.
Yeah, because the plural of irrational nouns are treated singular feminine, and the adjective won't come in the plural format, but it will come in the singular feminine form.
Yes.
Is that clear for everyone so far?
Yes.
Sister Fatima,
Yes. Yes.
is that clear for you as well?
Yes.
Right. Then we have hiya saghiratun. It is
Sagirat. It is small.
correct. It is small. Now, so this one. So regard. Bismillah.
So, like,
J.
why we will say like here, like hazihi kutubun jadid, and these are new books. So it won't be like this. These are new books.
So these are so in English we will translate it as these are new books, but in Arabic we use hadhihi.
So how will we translate this?
In English we'll translate these are new books, but in Arabic it'll be this. If it's a literal translation, it'll be this are new books. But in English it makes no sense. But in Arabic they use the hadhihi with the plural of kitabu, which is kutubun, with the feminine, which is hadhihi. So we need to remember this, that think when you're doing the translation, whether this is akil or ghairi akil. If it's ghairi akil and it's plural, then it has to come singular feminine.
So here sagiratun will be also like this is small. It
It
won't
is
be these.
small. It is
It is
small. Yeah.
So it won't be these. Like it won't be used as a plural.
If it's referring to the kutub, again in English translation, if you say they are small, you can't say hiya saghirat. You could translate in the plural format, but you need to understand that when you translate back into Arabic, it will be singular feminine.
Okay. So regard the plural of irrational nouns as feminine singular. Note, at-tullabu kharaju. The students went out.
What's happening here now? So tell me, explain this. At-tullabu kharaju. What's happening here?
So tullabu is plural,
Yep.
and the kharaju went out. So the plural of irrational nouns as feminine singular.
So this tullabu is rational nouns. It's human
It's
beings.
rational.
So that's the reason why kharaju is coming as plural. Kharaju, they all exited.
Okay, it's a third form.
Yeah. And then al-kilabu are dogs. Kalbun al-kilabu are dogs. And because dogs are irrational, so we use a singular feminine, which is
Kharajat.
kharajat.
Oh, I got it now.
You got it now?
Yeah, I got it now.
That's the reason why and because you missed last class, I knew how to bring you the mic just to assess yourself that you understand today's lesson. Thank you for that. Next person, I'll ask Sister Fatima. You was in Ziyarat, so how are you? And Bismillah, come on the mic.
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Thank you so much. May I start?
Yes.
We have learned some patterns of the broken plural. Here are some more. Masajidu, masjidun, mafa'ilu. Dafatiru, daftaru.
The other way around. Masjidun is the singular. Mafa'ilu is the plural. Masajidu is the plural of masjidun. Daftarun is singular. Dafatiru is the plural. So these plurals, last letter, they do not take the tanween. It's not masajidun, it's masajidu.
Okay, everywhere it will be like that.
Always, yes.
What is mafailu?
It's the pattern of masajidu. It's nothing. It's just a pattern. Because in Arabic language, plurals come on pattern. It's just a template on how to make the plural of masjidun.
So the fatiru is only word with this
No.
plural like this.
No. You have to refer to the dictionaries and see whether the dictionary tells you the plural is like this. So you will see any noun which ends with, sorry, where's it gone? So any noun which ends with alif, sorry, 2 letters before the last letter, 1, 2, 2 letters from the last letter. If there is an alif, The Fatiru, Ra and Ta before that is Alif. Whenever that happens, the last letter will not get a tadween, it will only get a dhamma. Masajidu and the Fatiru.
Okay, thank you so much. I got it.
Right, next page.
Next page. Vocabulary.
I think this is the next page. 1 second. Yes, it is.
Al-Nahru,
Yep.
river. Al-Bahru, sea. Al-Funduku, hotel. Al-Ta'iratu, airplane.
Yes. Anyone has any questions so far?
Yes, sir. Alhamdulillah. No.
Go ahead, Sister Tahira.
No, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Yes, good.
Right.
Yes, I wanted to ask something. Shanizara.
Yes, Shani Zahra, Bismillah.
So in the plural of irrational,
Yep.
the sifa rule is not applied, it's dropped.
So repeat that again.
For the sifa mawsuf,
Yep.
for example, for this plural, hazihi kutubun,
Jadidatun. Yep.
we don't apply the sifa mawsuf rule now.
No. So whenever you have an adjective, whenever you want to bring an adjective for irrational noun, غير عاقل, it will be singular feminine. So it won't follow the previous rulings that if the lab is plural, the sifa is plural. If the lab is masculine, the sifa is masculine as well. That ruling does not apply. The only ruling applies is the ruling of the gender. So not gender, i'rab. So kutubun, it comes with dhamma tanween. Jadidatun comes with dhamma tanween. If it is with alif lam or without alif lam, that rule applies. Okay, so these are the two, i'rab and whether it's with alif lam or without alif lam. That's only two rules which applies. Good question.
Thank you.
Right. Right, I'm going to ask who has missed the lesson. So can I request them Fatima with, who should I ask with? Sister Almas, where's your sister? Sorry.
Alaikum assalam warahmatullah. She's gone to some dinner.
Your sister, she's a, mashallah.
Actually, my parents are there at her place, so they are invited. She has to accompany, that's why.
Okay. So Sister Fatima and Almas, Bismillah. So Sister Fatima become Mudarris and Almas becomes Muhammad. Bismillah.
Okay. Bismillah. Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher.
Ad-Darsu Sadisu, the sixth lesson.
Ad-Darsu Sadisu, sixth lesson. Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher. Liman hadhihi al-aqlam ya Muhammad, whose pens are these, O Muhammad?
No, liman means for whom are these pens, O Muhammad?
Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
O Muhammad.
Correct.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Muhammadun, hiya li ya ustazu. It is my, O teacher.
Or they are mine, O teacher, as well. Or it is mine, that's fine.
Okay.
Al-Mudarrisu, teacher. Hiya jamilatun jiddan. These are so beautiful. وهذه الكتب الجديدة هي لك. And this new book.
Not this, and these.
These new books, are these yours too?
Are they for you? Now, question for you, Fatima. Why is it هذه الكتب الجديدة? Why is it al-jadidatu coming this way?
Jadida is feminine singular.
Yes.
Because kutub is irrational, so we will use feminine singular for it.
And what position al-jadidatu has in this sentence?
It's I think
Not think.
I think it's
not think. Okay, now why are you thinking? Why are you not saying that this is the ruling? Why? Tell me now.
Sorry?
What? Tell me, why are you thinking? Why are you not giving me an accurate answer saying that al-jadidatu has alif lam, al-kutubu has alif lam. Al-jadidatu is feminine, al-kutubu is treated as singular feminine. That's why al-jadidatu is the adjective. Al-kutubu has a dhamma, Al-Jadidatu has a dhamma because this is a ruling of sifa and mawsuf.
Yes. So what is the question? I'm so sorry, I didn't get the question basically.
Okay, the question was, why is Al-Jadidatu coming Al-Jadidatu, and what position does it have in the sentence?
Al-Jadidatu is sift for al-kutubu,
Sifatun,
and
not sifatun.
sifatun.
Yep, correct.
And for kutub, basically kutub are irrational.
Yep,
So for irrational, we use a feminine singular.
correct. Right. Next one, Sister Almas, or Sister, yeah, Bismillah.
Muhammad la hiya li Hamidin. No, it belongs to Hamid, or they belong to Hamid.
Correct.
Not for Hamid.
Are they for? Yeah, you can say they're for Hamid, yeah. Next. Fatima, go ahead. We can't hear you, Fatima. Fatima, are you there? Okay. Can I request Zainab to continue?
Yes.
Al-Mudarris.
Okay. المدرس هي جميلة جدا وهذه الكتب جديدة أحيا لك.
Ahiyya laka.
أحيا لك. These are very beautiful. Are these books? Are these جديدة means new, right?
Yep.
Are these new books yours as well?
Almas.
Muhammad la hiya li Hamidin. No, it belongs to Hamid.
أين دفاتركم يا إخوان? Where are your books? Oh, إخوان.
Oh, brothers.
Oh, brothers.
Aliyun hiya huna ala hazal maktabi. It is there on this table.
No, huna means here. Hunaka means there.
Okay, sorry. It is here on the table.
On this table. Ala means on. Hadha al-maktab, on this table.
Okay.
Right. Can I request Sister Shani Zahra? And then after that, Sister Butul Manji. Go ahead, Sister.
I
So
continue.
sorry, something happened to my internet.
Okay, give me 2 seconds. I'll bring you back on the mic. Sister Shan Zahra. Alif and Ba.
Okay. المفرد
Yep.
singular. هذا طالب جديد هو من أمريكا. This student is new. He is from America.
Correct.
And جمع plural.
Al-Jam'u, plural.
جمع هؤلاء طلاب جدد هم من أمريكا. These students are new. They are from America. Then المفرد هذا كتاب جديد هو من أمريكا. This book is new. It's from America. And الجمع هذه كتب جديدة هي من أمريكا. These books are new. They are from. It's from America.
Yep. Thank you. Is that clear for you?
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
Right. I want everyone to come on the mic now. Now, I'm going to give you, Sister Shani Zahra, I want you to 2 examples now. Look at this example. Hada baytun. This is a house. Hadhi buyutun. These are houses. So normally, if there was a tulabun, we will say haulai tulabun. But buyutun is plural, غير عاقل, so we use hadhihi. So I want you to do 1 and 2.
Okay.
And 3. 1, 2, and 3.
هذا نجم.
Correct.
This is a star. هذه نجوم.
Translation.
These are stars.
Correct.
هذا درس.
Correct.
This is a class.
This is a class. This is a lesson.
Lesson. Okay. This is a lesson. هذه دروس. These are lessons.
Excellent.
هذا قلم. هذه أقلام. These are pens.
These are pens. Jazakallah. Is this clear for you now?
Yes, thank you very much.
Muhtaj dua. Next person will be Sister Fatima. Sorry, Butul Manji, I said. Sister Butul Manji.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Haza babun. This is a door.
Yep.
Hadihi abwabun. These are doors.
Excellent.
Haza naharun. This is a river. Hadihi anharun. These are rivers.
Correct.
Haza jabalun. This is a mountain. Hazihi jibalun. These are mountains.
Excellent.
Haza kalbun. This is a dog. Hazihi kilabun. These are dogs.
Ahsanti, Jazakallah. Thank you for that. Next person will be Fatima, Sister Fatima. Number 8, 9, and 10. Fatima from Islamabad.
Yeah, sorry, my internet is not working properly. From 7, I should start.
8. Hadha bahrun.
Hadha bahrun. This is a sea.
Yep.
Hadhi baharun. These are seas.
Oceans.
Sorry?
Oceans.
Oceans. Hadha kitabun. This is a book. Hadhihi kutubun. These are books. Hadha himarun. This is a donkey. Hadhihi humurun. These are donkeys.
These are donkeys. Jazakallah. Thank you. Next person will be who's it? Sister Akila, please.
Yes, Sheikh.
Bismillah.
Haza sarirun. This is a bed. Hazihi sururun. These are beds.
Correct.
Haza daftarun. This is a notebook. Hazihi dafatirun. These are notebooks.
Correct.
Haza maktabun. This is a desk. Hazihi makatibu. These are the desks.
Jazakallah. Thank you. Sister Tahira.
Assalamualaikum.
Alaykum assalam.
هذا فندق. هذه فنادق.
Fanadiq. Without the dhamma tanween at the end.
Yeah, sorry. فنادق. هذه ساعة. هذه ساعات. This one is dhamma tanween.
Correct.
هذه سيارة. هذه سيارات.
Translation. This is a car.
Sorry, yeah. Yeah, this is a car. These are cars.
Excellent. Is this clear for you, this lesson?
Yes, alhamdulillah. Yes, thank you.
So I told you I'll make it easier for you. You transition back. So inshallah, you won't feel like you've missed the lesson. So what I'll do, inshallah, the first 5 lessons you missed, I'll make you join a new class so that you catch up the first few lessons and you complete the book with this group as well, inshallah. Okay?
Inshallah.
Right. Can I request Zainab Hassan? This is Zainab Hassan.
Assalamualaikum.
Alaykum assalam. Are you in UK or are you still in America?
I'm in America, still in Dallas. I'm coming on the 12th, on the 13th.
I'll make you join a new class so that you complete the first few lessons.
You know, Sheikh, I have to get my book because my iPhone and the laptop both are going on. So I just joined the class.
Okay, that's fine. I'll wait for you to come back. In the meantime, I'll choose someone else to come on. Sister Zainab, can you come on the mic? Sister Zainab from Dubai?
Yes.
Go ahead.
هذه, sorry, from 1?
Number 17.
So, okay, sorry. هذه طائرة. هذا طائرات.
هذه طائرات.
هذه طائرات. ذلك نجم. ذلك.
No, come on. I want you to show your talent now, Zainab.
Oh, because I live in Dubai, that's why. ذلك نجم.
So
أولئك.
no. Najmun. Is it rational or irrational?
Irrational.
So if it's irrational, the plural will be treated singular feminine. So if it's with singular feminine, the opposite
Nujum.
gender of dhalika is what?
أولئك.
Tilka.
Tilka.
Yes.
Okay, so the plural of najm is nujum.
Yes, and
So
we use
tilka.
correct.
Tilka nujum.
Tilka nujumun. Correct.
Next one, tilka sayaratun.
Correct.
Okay, so ulaika
No.
Okay, wait, it's dhalika.
No. Tilka will remain tilka in the plural as well.
Oh, okay. Tilka sayaratun.
Tilka sayyaratun. Okay.
I don't think I have an advantage of living in Dubai.
You don't. Okay. You and have. So we should. We anticipate that you should have advantage. Okay. Let's look over here again. I think sister. Who else is there? There's no one in this group. The other groups are. Okay. Now over here. See this. Tilka sayyaratun. That is a car. Tilka sayyaratun. So even in the singular, it's tilka sayyaratun, and even when we do the plural of sayyaratun, sayyaratun, we use tilka as well.
Yes, correct.
Is that okay, Zainab? Zainab, are you there?
Yes, sorry.
No problem. Right. Next person who I'm going to ask is going to be Sister Zainab Hassan. Bismillah.
Ya Khuda.
Ya Khuda, no. Adrikni.
What page are we on? Because
Okay.
I was
Page number 51. Page number 51.
51. Okay.
So this is easy, okay? Let me explain. So fill in the blanks with a suitable demonstrative pronouns. So hada will be used with a singular, masculine, object, or human beings. Hadihi will use for singular, feminine, human beings, or objects. And haulai is unique only for human beings. Haulai will only be used with human beings, will not be used with any object itself. I've made life easier for you now.
Okay. So
I want you to do 4 now. 1 to 4. From Rajulun to Kilabun.
Okay. Rajulun is singular. It's a human being.
Correct.
So Haza Rajulun.
Correct.
Rijalun means it's a lesson, right? Rijalun.
Rijalun is the plural of Rajulun, men.
Men. So Haulai Rajulun.
No, Haulai Rijalun.
Yeah, you are right. Haulai Rijalun.
Correct. Take your time. Don't worry.
Okay. Kalbun, it is a dog. So Haza Kalbun, it is singular.
Hada Kalbun, correct.
Okay.
And then
Kilabun is Hazihi Kalbun.
Hadi Kilabun, correct.
Kilabun. I don't know what I'm doing today.
Hadi
Kilabun.
So Alhamdulillah, you got all of them right, but the words, that's fine. We make mistakes, that's fine, but you've understood the concepts, yes?
Yeah, I understand the concept.
Brilliant. Next person, Sister Munira. I request you do 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Hazihi durusun.
Correct.
These are lessons. Haulai mudarrisuna. These are teachers.
Correct.
Haulai akhwati. These are my sisters.
Correct.
Hadhihi aqlamun. These are pens.
Excellent.
Hadha kitabun. This is a book.
Ahsanti. Jazakallah. Thank you. Sister Parveen Zahra. Can you do 10, 11, 12, and 13?
Hazihi sayyaratun. These are cars.
Correct.
Hazihi sayyaratun.
Excellent.
This is a car. Haza himarun. This is a donkey.
Correct.
Hazihi Kutubun. This is a book.
Jazakallah. Sister Akila, can you do?
Number.
Yes. 13 is هذه.
Okay.
هذه كتب. Sister Akila, 14, 15, 16, 17, please.
هذه همور. These are donkeys.
These are donkeys.
هذا عين. عين is eye.
هذا أين. This is the eye, correct.
هذه طبيبة.
عليكم السلام. Alhamdulillah.
Lady doctor.
هذه طبيبة. This is a doctor, female doctor.
Correct.
هؤلاء طبيبات. Those are lady doctor.
هؤلاء means these are lady doctors.
These are those lady doctors.
Excellent. MashaAllah, everyone's doing very well. Sister Almas, go ahead. 1 to 3. So here we need to use dhalika and tilka. Dhalika is for masculine, tilka is for feminine. Ulaika again is only used for human beings, plural itself.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Zalika talibun. Ulaika tullabun. Tilka najmun.
Excellent. Sister Shahnizara, number 4, 5, 6.
Tilka nujumun.
Correct.
Tilka bintun.
Correct.
Aulaika banatun.
Ulaika banatun. Correct. Those are
Daughters.
excellent. Jazakallah. Brilliant. Next person, who's me after yourself? Sister Almas, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. 7, 8, 9. The Rajatun. Sorry. Tilka the Rajatun.
Correct.
Tilka the Rajatun.
Correct.
Sorry. Tilka
That's
the
correct.
Rajatun.
Yeah, tilka is correct.
Animals are also coming in the category of being irrational.
Yes.
So, Tilka the Rajatun and Sarirun. Zalika Sarirun.
Excellent. Next person, Sister Fatima, 10. The Rajatun is bicycles.
Tilka sururun.
And Sariratun.
Sarirun is bed.
Yeah.
Tilka sururun, that's correct, Fatima.
Dajajatun. Okay, tilka dajajatun.
Correct.
And tilka mudarrisatun.
Tilka mudarrisatun, correct. Sister Batul Manji, 13, 14, 15.
Number.
Mudarrisatun.
Okay. Just a minute. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Number 13. Ulaika mudarrisatun.
Correct. Ulaika mudarrisatun. 14.
Ulaika mudarrisatun.
Hajun is masculine.
Hajun is masculine. Zalika hajun.
Excellent. Hujajun is plural for masculine.
Okay. Ulaika hujajun.
Ulaika hujajun. Jazakallah. 16 and 17, Sister Tahira.
Hada masjidun. This is a mosque. Tilka siyaratun. These are cars. Yeah, sorry, getting out of it now. See.
تلك سيارات. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وأجل فرجهم. How was that lesson? Was it difficult?
No, it was very good. Actually, it's a good experience to go back on it. I think I really liked it. I enjoyed it. And I'm not going to miss it anymore.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Sister Akila, Sister Almas, Fatima, Parveen, Shani Zahra, Zainab, and Sister Zainab Hassan as well. Is this clear for you, this lesson?
Alhamdulillah.
Yes, it's clear.
Brilliant. So inshallah, the next lesson is a continuation of lesson number 6 itself. It's not that difficult. So the lessons from 6 onwards to the last lesson are quite easy. The lessons from 1 to 6, 1 to 5, they were challenging. But apart from that, the rest of the book becomes easier now. Okay, so inshallah, I'll see you the same time next week as well, inshallah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajums. So
Jazakallah.
I'll share the link in the group so that you have the link for today's class as well, inshallah, okay?